Now this question I get quite a lot. What is the best island in the Philippines to go diving? And the short answer is any. It's beautiful everywhere and you are not gonna make a mistake. But I'm gonna choose 5 islands. So first, on the 5th place, I would say Cebu and Moalboal specifically. The biggest advantage is you can do some nice snorkeling too. You can go snorkeling like off the beach and see the sea turtles and the sardines and a lot of sea creatures just by the beach. You can go offshore and there are some beautiful reefs. There is lots of options. Number 4 is gonna be Bohol, and basically there are 2 parts of Bohol where to go diving. It's either the western part around Panglao Island, where is the most tourists go, but I would actually recommend going to the east-south side, around the town of Anda, which they are again like beautiful reefs that's right off the beach. Super beautiful and super rich and not many tourists there. At number 3 is Camiguin Island. It's super small, but there are some crazy nice reefs around the island, and especially around the White Islands, that's just like sandy island. There are many reefs around and you can stop for the break on the White Island with the view of the Camiguin Island with the huge volcano, and it's a cool experience underwater, also above water, so that's why I rate it so high. And the 2nd place we have Malapascua Island. That's because it offers some unique diving experience, and that's the treasure sharks. They are the sharks that usually live deep in the ocean, so it's not really possible to see them while going diving. At this location they come to this shoal where it's like a little bit shallow and it's okay to go diving with them, and it's quite a high possibility to actually see them. But for that you will need to be a certified diver before going there, because it might be a little bit more challenging, but I'm sure the experience is gonna be all worth it. And now we are getting to the best island for diving in my opinion, and that's Leyte. There is everything. There are beautiful reefs, beautiful islands, beautiful mountains, and you can also dive with the whale sharks. I mean, it has it all. Like under the water is gonna be absolutely like Avatar level beautiful. Then you come up and you will see these cliffs with the greenery and with the beautiful islands. And if you manage to be there at the right season to go diving with the whale sharks, you might see them, and you might see the manta rays. And so if you are coming to Philippines for diving, I would really give Leyte a shot, because I believe it might be one of the best places in the whole world to go diving. And as a bonus tip, I also get this question like if it's worth going diving in Siargao Island, and I would say yes if you don't have any other option, but no if you can go to other place. I mean, it's still very beautiful. There are some cool reefs and islands, but they are not that beautiful in my opinion as the other ones, but it's still worth it. So if you are only on a limited time, having like a week or 14 days vacation in Siargao, then it might be better to just go diving there rather than spend few days traveling somewhere else. But if you can spend longer or you really want to focus on the diving, then I would recommend going to some of the places I listed before. So what do you think? Did I get it correctly? Please leave comments below if you have other suggestions for places to go diving, because I mean, there are so many places. I'm sure there are so many more other beautiful places I didn't mention, so I'll be happy to hear the recommendations, and also the other viewers can get a value from that. So please, if you have other tips or questions or recommendations, leave the comments below, hit the subscribe button, and see you on the road.